Section 1.5, Part 2, Exploring Angles. Let's catch up to where we were with right after Postulate 1.9. We are going to go over Problem 3. So, Problem 3, you're finding the missing angle measures. If we know that angle KPL, so let's find KPL. KPL is right here. And we know JPL, and that's a linear pair, meaning they equal a supplementary angle that's 180. And I know that measure of KPL is 2x plus 24. And I know the measure of JPL is 4x plus 36. And I want to find what the measures of those two angles are. Here's what I know, here's what I need to know. So I draw the diagram and use the definition of supplementary angles. So I know that angle measure KPL plus angle measure JPL equals 180, and that's the definition of supplementary angles. I can substitute my equations in for the measure of the angle. So 2x plus 24 and 4x plus 36 comes from there. I combine like terms. 2 and 4 is 6x, 24 and 36 is 60, equals 180. Combined terms, I have 6x on this side, I subtract 60, and I get 120. So x equals 20. Evaluating the original expression for x equals 20, I put in that measure of KPL equals 2x plus 24. So 2 times 20 plus 24, 40 plus 24 equals 64. Same with this measure of JPL, you just stick your 20, your x is 20, into the equation and you get 116. Go ahead and stop the video and do the I got it reasoning on this question. Let's go over the definition of angle bisectors. Please take notes on this one. Angle bisector is a ray that divides an angle into two congruent angles. Its endpoint is at the end angle vertex with a ray segment with the same endpoint as the angle bisector. So the ray in the segment bisects the angle. So bi meaning two, it cuts it in half. And these in the diagram, AY is the angle bisector. So XAZ is bisected into XAY, and that is congruent to YAZ. So the top angle and the bottom angle are congruent. Using angle bisector, you want to find the angle measurements. If I know that AC is a bisector to DAB, and I know that DAC is 58, what will the measure of DAB equal? Well, if I know DAC is 58, and I know that CAB is 58, I can add those two together. So I'm adding 58 plus the 58, and I get 116. I simplify. Go ahead, and now I get it. Do question 4, stop the video.